Everyone, Douglas here, and today I'm going to show how to change your brush icons in Krita to look like this, black and white, very small, very minimalist, and very easy to see, right? So let's begin. Create a new document. Need to be a square, okay? So I'm using 500 by 500 pixels and hit create. Now you can choose any color you want for the background. I will pick nice yellow one. So fill the layer with yellow. Create a new layer and change the color and pick the brush that you want to change the icon, right? So I'm going to use the round hard brush here and change brush and press the middle of the canvas. Hit Ctrl T, you can adjust the size, right? So that, right? You hold shift, change it equally. Big like this. Now go to file and save as. Here in save as, you can choose any name you want and click save. Now press F5 to open the brush editor, or you can go to here in brush settings in this little line, three little lines here on top. Open the brush settings. There is two buttons here, save new brush or overwrite brush passage. Normally this overwrite is in gray and you can click here. But if you change something here just a little, it will be enabled for you to press. So let's press this one here. Overwrite brush preset, and you can click on load image. So we can pick the icon that we made. So we made this one, click open. So this is the icon and click save. So you can close the brush editor and you can close the document. Now if you open again the document, your brush icon will be updated already. Okay, but what happens if I hit that new brush preset, right? In the brush editor, if what happens if I hit here? So this basically will create a new brush. So it will be a copy. So you can click here, save, yes, close. And if you go to all untagged tab, you will see your brush up here. This one. So you can go, you right click on it and assign to tag. So you go to your tag, the copy. You have lots of brushes. Want to change every icon of them. So the overwrite brush preset is the best option here, because it won't be creating a new backup for every time you create, you change the icon, right? So just again, just change something here in diameter, the size, and this option here will be enabled for you to hit. Or you can go to blend mode, change to from normal to multiply and go back to normal. So it will be enabled again. So this is the best option here. Okay, we're going to change the icon. Or you want a backup, go to save new brush. That's it. Very easy to make. Don't need this one, so right click on it and remove from this. As I did another icon. So Click here, load image. Go to the default one. Open. Save. Close. Close again. Go back to normal. So that's it. Very easy, very fast to do. If you want to let your brush window to look like this, you need to click on these three lines, display settings, and go to details. Normally it's in the just thumbnails, but I like detail. You can increase the icon size, decrease. That's it. I hope you like it. If you like it, hit the like button, right? And subscribe. I will make more videos like this, more tutorials.